Don't get SAP for your company. Watch this before deciding on SAP. In the end of the video, there is a link of in more detail where you can discuss more further on this point. So let's get started. So when are you thinking about SAP? What do you think about? What is SAP? SAP is a pre-built software, so it's meaning that when they say it's coming in vanilla or they say different names to it, so it's meaning that they have software already ready to go, and then you take this on your implementation. So, so when you take this and then you redesign it, you basically are using your existing business model, and you are trying to fit this into SAP, which is pre-built, and you've been told that you have to be using SAP solution, which is the best practices or different many different names. So they might not be perfect fit for you. SAP is not good for everyone. There are SAP implementation in many companies where you can see they implement SAP, but they do not use their existing functionality, and they change it so much that it's no longer SAP standard functions. So why did you pay more for that if you are not using exactly what they are providing you, which is ready to go? So that's another thing. And you spend millions, and then you try to adopt SAP, but you change SAP, and then a lot of twist and turning happening. So in this case, SAP is not for you because you are taking a software which is you're paying for it, which is already pre-built, but you're not using it to the extent. And there are so many options and so much complexities in SAP for user to understand. For example, many places they might have different functionality before, and when they get SAP, that don't function as it is. So that will affect your productivity and your solution. So that's what you want to think about. For um, think about SAP. Why are you implementing SAP? And so if it is going to cost you a lot of money that you are implementing SAP, what are the benefits and pros and cons? SAP is not for everyone, so might be good for one company, but not fit for another company because your business process is different. You are doing transactions are different, and license cost, another big factor. The consultants, the implementation cost might be very high, and so these things need to be considered. And so overall, why are you thinking about SAP? Because everyone else having SAP, and this is an industry that they do market themselves very good to the CEO levels, and the companies thinks when they adopt SAP, their process get improved. To the extent that can be true for many clients, but not for all the clients. That could be disaster because you have seen many cases in the courts that where companies file cases that they have issues, the blueprints are not done right, requirements are not gathered, users are having issues. So many things are out there, so you can take a look at the Google. So uh, but in the end, I would say you have a consultation available from my side. You can make an appointment today. Link it will be in the description below. So let's discuss this further if you're interested. But there are many places SAP is good, and there are many places SAP is not good. So depending on your situation and your requirements and what are you thinking about, so you can do a consultation, and consultation is available. Thank you very much.